So today we're looking at the Zenbre H6 wireless Bluetooth headphones, and I'm also going to be giving you guys a chance to win one of these at the end of the video. These use Bluetooth 4.2, have a 20-hour battery life, and thankfully they do support APTX. So for those of you that don't know what APTX is, the simple way of putting it is it's a compression technology that allows the headphone to have crisp, clear audio quality over Bluetooth. But first of all, we're going to go through the unboxing and then I'll be talking about the device. So first in the box we've got the loyalty card. Next we've got the protective case. Now this is a hard fabric protective case that zips up and does keep the headphones well secured. It's great for those of you that would like to transport them about without actually wearing them. Next we've got the headphones themselves. Nice looking headphones, a nice mix of leather, metal and plastic. Then we've got the manual for anyone that needs help, as well as a QR code to scan if you want to go to their website. We've then got the USB cable. This is to charge the headphones. They've got an inbuilt battery, and we've also got a 3.5mm audio jack for anyone that does want to use them that way instead of using them over the Bluetooth. So if we take a look at the headphones, they are actually very well built. They do fold up so you can carry them around nice and easily or transport them. The top is made of leather, the ear cups are made of leather, the actual ear holders are metal, and the adjustment for the head height is also made of metal, so it should be quite durable. The bits just above the adjusters, however, that is a little ring of plastic, and you've got the leather band over the top, and the ear cups of course are plastic. If we look at the cups themselves, on one side we've got the 3.5mm headphone jack, so if you do want to use a cable you simply plug it in there. On the other ear cup we've got a play pause button, a volume up and down button, as well as an on-off switch, and we've also got the micro USB cable here to hold it. The headphones do also come with a built-in microphone, so for those of you that want to take calls you can do. So the headphones themselves, I've been using them for a few weeks now, and I have to say I am very impressed with these. The adjustable head height, personally I've got quite a big head and it fits on nice and comfortably, and I could even extend further if I wanted to. Also, the ear cups are a nice soft leather, but I find my ears fit inside them that makes it comfortable, and again I do have quite big ears, so you should have no worries there. In terms of sound quality, I was actually very impressed with how they sound out the box. I didn't need to make any adjustments in an equalizer, and as I said, it uses APTX, and this is a compression technology, so you can get crisp sound through Bluetooth, and I have to say it does work very well. When it comes to bass coming through the headphones, as I said, I didn't adjust any equalizer settings as I was happy with how they came out of the box. In terms of bass, I'd probably rate them at about a 7 out of 10, and again that's where I like it, but if your taste differs you can easily adjust that. They have 40mm drivers and they do feel very well built. In terms of connectivity, as I said, you can either plug in the 3.5mm audio cable or you just connect via Bluetooth, and it's as simple as searching for Bluetooth devices on whichever device you're playing the music from. The Zenbre headphones come up, you simply press them and they pair. You don't need to do anything special with the headphones, so I did like how easy that was. In terms of range, they work very well at distances with no cutting out. I could leave it playing and walk around the house without any disruption to my music, but of course it is over Bluetooth, so it will depend on obstructions and things you have in your home, as well as how thick your walls are if you were doing a comparison. But overall I do rate this product, I'm pretty impressed, and the wireless headphones I was using before these was actually the SteelSeries 7, and I have to say the sound quality is slightly better on these, and with the SteelSeries I had to do a lot of changes in the equalizer to get them how I want. So for those of you that want some wireless Bluetooth headphones that simply just work out of the box, you want a nice amount of comfort and not a high price, then I do recommend trying these. And of course if you are interested, I've placed links down in the description below that will take you to the webpage that you can purchase them from. So as I said, I'm also giving away this pair of headphones, so if you want to enter the giveaway, it's nice and simple to do. All you have to do is press the link down in the description below and that will take you to the giveaway page. On there are multiple ways to enter, from retweeting a tweet on Twitter to simply following me on YouTube. At the end of the giveaway, a winner will be randomly picked and contacted, and I will then send them out. As always, this giveaway is open internationally. Wherever you are in the world, I will ship to you free of charge. But as always, if you've got any questions about this at all, leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thank you for watching the video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.